Hey guys, Jim Cipriano, your friend in the car business, here in my new home, Central Ford Mazda, Plainfield, Connecticut. This one's it, guys. Last of the 2019 F-150's. This here is a 2019 Super Cab, STX model XL. Perfect trim for a work truck or a nice family vehicle. 0% for 84 months available. This is the last one I have 0 for 84 on, guys. Give me a call today, 860-564-4014. Jim Cipriano, your friend in the car business. In my new home, Central Ford Mazda, Plainfield, Connecticut. Give me a shout. This is not going to last, guys. And remember, the customer always wins when they ask for Jim.